This is Aquila 36 MDP, main distribution panel, AC/DC panel. We're going to start from top to bottom and give you an idea of how this panel functions and how to properly set it in different situations. So if we start at the top, you have a generator control panel. You need to turn on the battery switch to get that active. Okay, so you have your on, you have your on to power it on, start, and then press it one time to stop it. You have to press and hold it to get it to start. This is your inverter multi-control. What it does, it says that you're going to allow your inverter to use 15 amps of the available 30 amp shore power coming into the boat. And that's going to be for your 120 circuits that are things that are not your air conditioning. Let's say your charger, your grill, refrigeration, outlets, etc. Different things that are connected to it. I would always leave this roughly between 10 and 15. Because you want to make sure you leave enough power for your air conditionings that are running or your water heaters. So 15 is kind of a good place to leave it. You want to leave it in on at most times. Now, for some reason, if you are leaving the boat for a prolonged period of time, you would flip it to charge only. What this will do, it'll allow the power to pass through from shore power through the inverter and power your circuits. For example, if down here you had a dehumidifier in the cabins plugged into an outlet, then it would at least allow that to power. But if you lose shore power for some reason, it will turn off the inverter function, which means it will save your house battery. So in the charge only feature, it will only charge. It will not invert if you do not have shore power or generator. So for prolonged points of time that you're not on the boat, charge only is recommended. When your shore power trips or you have a problem, it will protect your house battery, so when you come back on, you have DC power down here. So I'm going to stop it and create a second and third video on this.